In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Excel-like conditional formatting in Tableau Desktop using color and functions. This is a fantastic way to visualize your data more effectively by highlighting important trends and insights. First, you'll want to launch your Tableau app. Whether you're an experienced user or just starting, opening the app is straightforward. Once you've got Tableau open, the next step is to access your worksheet. This is where all the action happens, where you can manipulate data and start applying your conditional formatting. Next, begin by dragging a dimension, such as order date, to your column shelf. This will help you organize your data in a way that makes sense chronologically. Following this, drag another dimension, like product category, to the rows shelf. By doing so, you'll set up your data to be easily segmented, which is crucial for effective visualization. Now let's bring in some real data. Drag a measure, say your sales data, into the marks field and set it to label. This step allows you to display the numerical data right on your worksheet, giving you a good basis for your conditional formatting. To add more complexity, click on Analysis in the menu and select Create Calculated Field. This feature in Tableau lets you incorporate logic into your data visualization, enabling more dynamic and insightful views. Name this new calculated field something that resonates with its function. For instance, KPI. Choosing an intuitive name will make it easier for you to remember what the field represents as you continue to build your dashboard. After naming it, you'll need to type in your query. This action is your opportunity to define the logic that will drive your conditional formatting, combining your expertise with Tableau's powerful tools. Once your query is complete, click OK to create the calculated field. The next step involves dragging this newly created calculated field into the marks field and setting it to color. This is where the magic of conditional formatting really comes to life, as Tableau uses your query to color your data points accordingly. To add yet another layer of insight, drag another measure, like quantity, into the marks field and set it to size. This will provide additional depth to your data visualization, allowing size to convey another dimension of information. At this point, you'll want to change automatic to bar from the marks drop-down menu. Bars are an excellent choice for visualizing quantities, making the data more digestible at a glance. Then click on the quantity dropdown and navigate to measure, selecting minimum. This adjustment fine-tunes your visualization, ensuring that it displays the information you deem most critical. Finally, you can adjust the size of your visualization elements to suit your preferences and to enhance clarity. This step is essential for tailoring your visual presentation to the needs of your audience, ensuring that your insights are as accessible as they are impactful. And there you have it, a fully conditioned, beautifully formatted Tableau dashboard ready to reveal the stories behind your data.